Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless framing nail gun that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Paslode Cordless XP Framing Nailer. Paslode 905600 Cordless XP Framing Nailer is a relatively new and late entrant in the market but surprisingly has surpassed beyond DEWALT DC-N692M 120V Max Cordless Framing Nailer, which have been in market longer than anyone. Paslode 905600 Cordless XP Framing Nailer brings you the best of the quality in the lowest possible cost. The best feature of Paslode 905600 Cordless XP Framing Nailer is what has kept in the market. It certainly makes appearance in reviews of cordless framing nailer in 2020 owing to its price penetration strategy in the market. If you own a cordless framing nailer and it could be any of the high-value cordless framing nailer, chances are that would be much costlier than Paslode 905600 Cordless XP Framing Nailer. Paslode 905600 Cordless XP Framing Nailer will have more than 50% of all its features. At number 4. DEWALT DC-N692M1 Nailer Kit. DEWALT DC-N692M 120V Max Cordless Framing Nailer is another one which falls under Best X for money. It is most regularly advertised product and we see ads of it almost everywhere. In the past, DEWALT DC-N692M 120V Max Cordless Framing Nailer's parent company decided to launch a new line of cordless framing nailer, and that is what has revived them. DEWALT DC-N692M 120V Max Cordless Framing Nailer has really upgraded itself to the current style and market changes, and the best part of DEWALT DC-N692M 120V Max Cordless Framing Nailer is amazing features. At number 3. Bostitch Framing Nailer. Bostitch Cordless Framing Nailer is present in top 10 since a long time. In terms of customer satisfaction and ease of use, Bostitch Cordless Framing Nailer wins the users. Most of them who buy Bostitch Cordless Framing Nailer won't buy anything else, although it offers very limited features and specifications. The only reason for brand loyalty is ease of use. This product had a special mention in reviews of cordless framing nailer in 2020 for not expanding user base but definitely not losing any. The shift of people from cordless framing nailer to any other cordless framing nailer is least. At number 2. Makita AN92421 Nailer. Makita AN92421 full round cordless framing nailer is again a mid of quality and price. It offers limited features in this pricing. There is another variant of Makita AN92421 full round cordless framing nailer which falls into premium category, but Makita AN92421 full round cordless framing nailer is specifically targeted for mid-segment. Makita AN92421 full round cordless framing nailer offers such amazing features which makes it better than 70% of cordless framing nailer available in the market today. Makita AN92421 full round cordless framing nailer was our personal favorite and was voted as most admired product in top 10 best cordless framing nailer to buy in 2020 top picks. We hope it makes to that list again this year. At number 1. Metabo HPT Framing Nailer. The NR90AES1 framing nailer drives plastic collated nails from 2 inches up to 3-1/2 in length and features Metabo HPT's next generation industrial design. Weighing only 7.5 pounds, it is easy to use all day, while still providing the power as other bulkier and heavier framing nailers. The NR90AES1 framing nailer is great for flooring and framing, truss buildup, window buildup, subflooring, roof decking, wall sheathing and housing construction. The redesigned head guard of the NR90AES1 framing nailer allows for a faster and easier disassembly process, saving valuable time during tool maintenance. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.